Hello my dear students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I, Miss Ujwala Mule, I am going to teach you maths, that is lesson number 1. Students, in the previous session what we had learned, just we will take a recap of that. Can you see this screen? Look at the screen. In the previous session we have seen the forming greatest and smallest numbers, means how to form the 4-digit smallest number and 4-digit greatest number by using given digits. For example, now see this. Here 4 digits are given to you. Can you see these digits? 1, 7, 4, 5. By using these 4 numbers, we have to form the greatest 4-digit number, isn't it? Read the question carefully. We have to form the greatest 4-digit number. To form the greatest 4-digit number, what we have to do? We have to take first greatest digit among these 4 numbers. So, which one is the greatest number or which one is the greatest digit? Yes, 7 is the greatest digit. So, we will take first 7. Okay. Then after 7, among these 3 digits, which one is the greatest? 5. 5 is the greatest. So, after 7, 5 will come. Okay. Then remaining 2 numbers are there. See these 2 numbers. In these 2 numbers, which one is greatest? Yes, 4 is greater than 1. So, 4 will take, and finally only 1 digit is there. So, we will take that remaining 1 digit. So, which is our greatest 4-digit number? Read this number. 7541 is our greatest 4-digit number. Okay. Now, by using the same digits, again we have to form the smallest 4-digit number. Okay. So, for smallest 4-digit number, what you will do? Yes, what you have to do? You have to take first smallest digit. Which one is the smallest among these 4 digits? Yes, 1 is the smallest. So, we will take first 1. Now, how many 3 numbers are remaining? So, in these 3 numbers, which one is the smallest? Yes, 4 is the smallest. So, after 1, 4 will come. Now, only 2 numbers are remaining. So, in these 2 numbers, which one is the smaller? Yes, 5 is smaller than 7. So, we will take 5. And finally, we will take this greatest number, that is 7. So, this is our smallest 4-digit number. Which is the number? 1457 is our smallest 4-digit number. Now, then after that, I will ask you one question. Read this question carefully. What is the smallest 4-digit number using the digits 4, 5, 0, 9? Now, students, what you have to do? You have to form the smallest 4-digit number by using these 4 numbers, by using these 4 digits. Okay. So, I will give you 1 minute. You have to write the answer in your notebook, and then after that you have to check your answer from the screen. I will show you the answer after some time. I will give 1 minute and your time will start now. Form the smallest 4-digit number. For that, what you will do? You have to take first smallest digit from these 4 numbers. So, which number will come first? Yes, do it fast. Over? Shall I show you the answer? Okay, now I will show you the answer, and you have to check it from the screen. Now, see the answer. The answer is 4059. Now, students, here see, here 0 is the smallest digit, but we cannot take 0 first. Why? Why? Because if we will take the 0 first, then the number will become 0459, and which is the 3-digit number, but we have to form the smallest 4-digit number. So, we can take 0 first. So, our smallest 4-digit number is 4059. How many of you done correct? Yes, clap for yourself only. Okay, very good. Now shall we move to the next part? Then in the previous session also we have learned the successor and the predecessor of the numbers. Now what is meant by successor? The numbers that comes just after a given number is called a successor. For that what we have to do? If we have to find out the successor of the given number, what you will do? You have to add 1 to a number to get its successor. Okay. Then also we have seen the predecessor also. Then how will you find out the predecessor of the given number? Yes, subtract 1 from a number to get its predecessor. Okay. Now today we are going to see odd and even numbers. So students, open your textbook and page number 16. Now can you see this picture? Yes. Now see here, how many circles are there? Here some small circles are given to you, isn't it? So count these circles. Yes, here only one circle is there. Okay. So we will call it object. Now here, how many objects are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 objects are there. Okay. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 objects are there. Now students, see this second picture. Here 1, 2. 2 circles are there or 2 objects are there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects are there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 objects are there. Okay. Now see this, numbers 2, 4, 6 make perfect pairs of 2. So they are called as even numbers. Okay. And the numbers 1, 3, 5 do not make perfect pairs of 2. So these are the odd numbers. Okay. Now there is one more trick to find out even or odd numbers. Now see which is the trick. To find if a number is odd or even, divide the number by 2. And if we will divide the given number by 2, if we will get the remainder 1, then that number is odd. And if we will divide any number by 2, if there is no remainder, then the number is even. So you have to keep this trick in your mind. Now see here one example is there. Can you see this example? You can see in your textbook also. The example is 44 divided by 2. If we will divide by 2 to the 44, then what will be the answer? 22. And there will be no remainder. So therefore 44 is an even number. But now see this 183. If we will divide by 2, then we will get the answer 91 and there will be a remainder 1. So therefore 183 is an odd number. Now there is one more trick which is very easy. Okay, to find out the given number is even or odd. Now see this, which is that trick? There is an easier method of finding if a number is even or odd. Now what we have to do? Just we have to see the ones place of the number. If a number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place, then that number will be the even number. But if a number has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place, then it is a odd number. Okay. So now can you see this screen? Yes. Now see here some numbers are given to you. Okay. 1 to 30 numbers are there. And what you have to do? Here you have to ring the even numbers. Okay. We have to find out the even numbers. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to ring the even numbers. Now 2 is the even, 4 is the even, then 6 is even, then 8 is even, Why? Why? Because if we will divide 8 by 2, then there will be no remainder. So 8 is also even. Then see here 10. Here in the 10 number, this is a 2-digit number, and here at ones place 0 is there. Okay. So this is also a even number. So we will circle it. We will ring it. Then after 10, here 12. 12 is also even. Why? Because at ones place 2 is there. So 12 is a even number. Then see this 14. 14 also a even number. Why? Because at ones place 4 is there. Now can you say this 15? Is it even or odd? Yes, it is a odd. Why? Because at ones place 5 is there, and 5 it is an odd number. So this whole 15 number is an odd number. So we will not ring. Now see this 16. In 16 at ones place which number is there? 6 is there. And 6 it is a even or odd? Yes, it is a even. So this whole number 16 is a even. So we will ring it. Now see this 17. In 17 at ones place 7 is there, and 7 is an odd number. So this 17 is also odd. So we will not ring. Then see this 18. In 18 at ones place 8 is there, isn't it? So 18, this is an even number. So we will ring it. Now see this 20. In 20 at ones place 0 is there. Of course 0 is an even number. So 20 is a even number. So ring it. Now see this 21. In 21 again 1 is there, and which is an odd number. So we will not do here circle. Now see this 22. In 22 2 is there, which is an even number. So 22 is also a even. Now see this 24. Here 4 is there, and this is also a even number. So we will ring it. 24 is a even number. Now can you see this 26? Yes. Is it an even number or odd number? Yes, it is also an even number. Why? Because at ones place 6 is there, and 6 is a even number. So 26 also a even number. Now see this 28. At ones place 10 is there, which is an even number. So this 28 is also an even number. Okay. And see now this last 30. This 30 is also even number, because here 0 is there. Means only if the number is more than 1 digit number, what we have to do? Only we have to see the ones place digit. If the ones place digit is an even number, then that number will be the even. And if suppose, now see this 23. Here at ones place 3 is there. If the ones place digit is an odd number, then that whole number is a odd number. This is very simple to identify even and odd. Now students, I will ask you one question. See this question. Look at the board. Can you read this question? Yes. Is the given number is even or odd? Now see this number. Oh my God, this is a very big number. Yes, you are very small, you can't read this number, but don't worry. Why? Because what we have to do? We have to see only the ones place number. We have to see only the last number. Yes, see this last number. Which number is there? Yes, here 6 is there. And 6 number, it is even or odd? Is it even or odd? Yes, this number 6 is even. So the whole number is, yes, very good. So the whole number is even. So shall I show you the answer? We will see the answer. Yes, our answer is correct. See, the given number is even, since it has 6 in the ones place, and 6 is a even number. So this whole number, though it is a very big number, it is a even number. Okay. Now see here there are some properties of even and odd numbers. Now see here, can you see this? Now see here, 1, 3, 13 which is an odd number. Again plus 1, 7, 17, this is also an odd number. If we will do the addition of these two numbers, that is 13 plus 17, then the answer will get 30 which is an even number. Okay. Now see one more example. Here 23 number is there, isn't it? 23 plus 15. Do the addition of these two numbers. Yes, what will be the answer? 38. The addition will come 38. And see 23 is also odd number because at 1 plus 3 is there. Now see this 15. This is also an odd number because at 1 plus 5 is there. But if we will add two odd numbers, the sum of two odd numbers is an even number because we are getting the answer even number which is 38. This is an even number. So our first property is the sum of two odd numbers is an even number. See carefully, once again I will tell you, the sum of two odd numbers is an even number. Okay. Now let me explain another property. Now can you see this? 24? Yes. Now here in 24, which is the number at 1's place? 4 is there, and this is an even number. So 24 is also even number. Plus 12. 12 is also an even number. Okay. Now do the addition of these two numbers, 24 plus 12. Then we will get the answer 36. Now in 36, at 1's place 6 is there, and which is an even number. So if we will add two even numbers, or the sum of two even numbers is an even number. Okay. See here one more example that given here. 1 at 18 plus 14. In 18 is also even number and 14 is also an even number. If we will add these two numbers, then we will get 32. Okay, which is an even number. Why? Because at 1's place 2 is there and 2 is an even number. So what will be our second property? See this property. The sum of two even numbers is an even number. Okay, the sum of two even numbers. If we will add two even numbers, then we will get the answer which is also an even number. Okay. Now we will see one more property is there. See this example, 1 to 12, 12 plus 13. Now see this 12, 12 is an even number and 13 is a odd number. Why? Because 3 is a odd. So 13 is odd number. If we will add or the sum of one even number and one odd number, then what will come? The answer, we got the answer 25, which is an odd. Means what will be the property? Third property, the sum of one even number and one odd number is an odd number. Now see, let me explain one more example. 15 plus 13, 30. 15 is an odd number and 30 is an even number. So the answer is 45, which is an odd number. So what will be our third property? See, third property, the sum of one odd and one even number is an odd number, isn't it? Do you understand? Okay. Now see this exercise. Now we will solve exercise 1.9. The question is, write E for even and O for odd. Now dear students, what you have to do? I will tell you the number, I will read out the number and just you have to write, if the number is even, you have to write E in front of that number, and if the number is odd, then you have to write O in front of that number. Now we will see the first number, 49. Yes. Now can you tell me 49 is an even or odd? Yes. Write in your textbook. If the number is even, write E, capital E in front of 49, or if the 49 is odd, write O for that in front of 49. Yes, see this 49. In 49, 9, see the last digit number at ones place, which number is there? 9 is there. Yes, so 9 is the odd number. So this 49 is also odd number. So we will write only O. Okay. Now can you see this another example? 68 is there, isn't it? Now see this 68. In 68, at ones place, which number is there? Yes, 8 is there. Can you tell me 8 is even or small? Yes, 8 is even. So this 68 is a even number. So what we will write? We will write only E. E means even. Now see this 99. In 99, at ones place 9 is there. Okay. So 9 is a one odd number. So at ones place 9 is there. So 9 is a odd number. So this 99 is also odd number. So write O in front of 99. Okay. Now there is one more example, 126. Though it is a 3-digit number, only we have to see the last digit which is at ones place. Now which number is there at ones place? 6 is there. So dear students, tell me 6 is even number or odd number? Yes, 6 is an even number. So this whole number 126 is also an even number. So write E in front of that. Okay. Now see this fifth example. What is the example? What are the numbers? 98 is there. In 98, at ones place, which number is there? Yes, 8 is there, and 8 is a, you know now very well, 8 is a, yes, even number. So 98 is also even number. So we will write E for even. Now my dear students, this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you have to solve by your own. Now we will see this 11 number, 303. This is also a 3-digit number, but no matter the number is how long or how big. Only what we have to do? We have to see the last digit. So here at ones place 3 is there. So 3 is even or odd? Yes, 3 is odd. So this 303 is also odd number. So only we will write O. O means odd. Now see this 486. See at ones place which number is there? Yes, 6 is there. Yes, and 6 is a even number. So 486 is a even number. Now see this another example, 794. In 794, at ones place which number is there? 4 is there. Yes, and can you tell me 4 is even or odd? Yes, of course 4 is even. So this 794 is also even number. So what we will write here? E or O? Yes, here we will write E. Now see here 611. In this number at ones place 1 is there, which is odd number. So 611 is a odd number. Now here see 739. In this number at ones place 9 is there, and 9 is a odd number. So this 739 is a odd number. Okay. Again the 16 to 20 you have to solve by your own. Okay. Why? Because this is a very simple. Now see this 21st number. The number is 4842. This is a 4-digit number. Okay. But don't worry, what I told you, if the number is so big, no matter what we have to do, we have to see only one place number. Here, though this is a 4-digit number, we will see only the ones place number, and in ones place 2 is there. Okay. At ones place 2 is there, and which is a even number. So, this whole number is 2, even. So, we will write E for that. Now, see, can you read this number? Read in your mind. Yes, yes students, read this number. I taught you how to read 4-digit numbers. Yes, can you tell me? Yes, this is a 3007. See the ones place. At ones place, which digit is there? Which number is there? Yes, here 7 is there. And 7 is a, yes, odd number. Very good. So, this 3007 is an odd number. So, we will write O for that. Okay. Now, move to the next example. See, the example is, yes, the number is, read in your mind. Try to read this 4-digit number. Yes, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. So, the number is, yes, read 5306. In this number, at ones place 6 is there, isn't it? So, if the ones place number is even, then the whole number will be even. So, 5306 is an even number. Okay. Now, see the 24th example. The number is 8190. Now, students, you only tell me, at ones place 0 is there, and 0 is even or odd? Yes, 0 is even. So, this number is even. So, write in front of that number E, capital E. E means even and O means odd. Now, we will see the last example. See the last example. The number is 3699. In this number, in this 4-digit number, see the last place number or ones place number. At ones place 9 is there. Yes, which is an odd number. So, this 3699, it is an odd number. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Very good. Now, what you have to do, students? You have to solve this exercise 1.9 in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.